smoking Indo, my jewels out.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Hope you're all having a good day today. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing the Icon Motorsports carbon fiber deck lid panel on my 2018 Mustang GT. It just came in today, and I'm just getting back now from picking up some goo gone for O'Reilly's. So I just got this because it has like a little sticker on it that I'm going to be removing, and I also picked up some microfiber towels. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video and get it installed. Let me grab the panel from my trunk. So this is it. Carbon fiber, it's pretty clean. It's just got this sticker here that I'm going to be peeling off. Yeah, it's the whole panel. Comes with the clips. So that's the new one, this is the old one. So to install it, you just got to remove this part here. There's some screws in there. Same thing on this side here. Let's put this down here. Alright, so you're going to use a 7mm socket to get these little bolts out of there. So let me get those off with this. Same thing on this side. There and there. Alright guys, so when you're doing this, make sure to tilt it a little bit so the bolts don't go in there, because that would suck. So I just got these out. Here they are. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Alright, once you have the screws out with a rag, and you can use a pick tool, but I'm using this flathead screwdriver. You're going to want to just put it in here and pry it out. Get those clips out of there. This one, there's a couple more in there, and then it'll just come right out. So let me do that. Alright, so once these clips come out, you just disconnect your battery here. Let me disconnect that. Just got some little screws here holding it in. Alright, so it's off. You just unplug the camera, and then you got to unbolt those little bolts right there to get it out and put it into the new one. So that's the old one. Now I'm going to clean this off a bit as well, because it's really dirty under here. Alright, and then to get these out off of it, you're going to need a 55mm socket. So yeah, you just get those off and then put them into the new panel. Let me do that real quick. Here's your backup camera. Alright, so the backup camera is on the new one. Now I'm just going to clean this off with goo gone. Let's see. Hopefully it removes it all completely.
Shit's a hassle. It's almost off. There you go. It's all off. Now to put it back on.
Alright guys, so here it is. Camera fit perfect. And it matches the carbon spoiler. Now we just need a carbon diffuser. What do you guys think? Should I buy this? The carbon diffuser to match the whole rear end? Let me know in the comments.
Two-seater run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything.